What is up YouTube, El Hussein here, and today we are taking a look at watchOS 11 and what's new in it. First off, we're diving into activity rings. Apple has introduced the ability to pause your activity rings. This means you can take a break for a day, a week, or even longer without losing your reward streak, providing much needed flexibility for rest days or when it gets a little bit busier. Additionally, you can now set different activity ring goals for each day of the week, ensuring you get the right amount of motivation tailored to your schedule. It is a cool feature, though I don't personally put too much attention on keeping my streaks. The fitness app on your iPhone has also seen some exciting updates. You can now fully customize the summary tab by adding, moving, or removing metrics to highlight what matters most to you. There are also new metrics for activities like running, cycling, and swimming, offering more detailed insights into your workouts. In watchOS 11, your overnight health data is now conveniently gathered in one place. The new Vitals feature tracks your health metrics while you sleep and establishes a typical range for each one. This makes it easy to see at a glance how your metrics compare to your usual numbers. To set it up, your watch will need to sample 7 nights of sleep where metrics like your heart rate, respiratory rate, wrist temperature, blood oxygen, and sleep duration will be recorded. After these 7 nights, your watch will start giving you summaries of your sleep schedule. If several metrics fall outside your normal range, you'll get a notification with outlier and possible explanations like medication, elevation changes, or illness. Otherwise, your watch will say typical if nothing is abnormal. This feature really helps you know when it might be a good idea to pay closer attention to your body and take action if needed. Additionally, with the new features in the workout app, we now also get the training load feature, a powerful tool designed to help athletes reach their goals by providing insights into how workout intensity impacts their body over time. With training load, you can make informed decisions about adjusting your workouts, which is especially useful when preparing for a big event. Additionally, you can view your overnight vitals for a comprehensive understanding of your health. After completing cardio-focused workouts, you'll find a new effort metric in the summary that shows how hard you exercised. This metric takes into account your pace, elevation, heart rate, and personal data like age, height, and weight. Training load also compares the intensity and duration of your workouts over the last 7 days to your activity over the previous 28 days. It then classifies your current training load on a scale from well below to well above average, helping you understand the strain on your body and decide if your training regimen is sustainable. This feature ensures you're neither undertraining nor overdoing it, keeping your fitness journey on track. Talking about watch faces, Apple has reimagined the Photos face to be your personal curator of memories, ensuring that every glance at your watch is a delightful experience. Using AI technology, your watch now sifts through your entire photo library to unearth the most stunning compositions and highest quality images. Whether it's a memorable family moment, your beloved pet's antics, breathtaking landscapes, or the iconic cityscapes you adore, watchOS 11 can now filter and showcase these favorites with ease. Beyond just displaying photos, watchOS 11 lets you tailor the watch face to match your style and preferences like never before. You can adjust the size and the layout of the time to display what matters most to you. Choose from a variety of fonts to find the one that speaks to you personally, and play with vibrant colors or tricolor themes to add a splash of creativity. The customization ensures your watch is coherent with your iPhone lock screen and home screen. Moreover, with expanded script support for additional languages, watchOS 11 truly becomes a global companion, making it easier for users around the world to personalize their watch experience in their preferred language. And here's the kicker: live activities are not part of the Smart Stack on Apple Watch. This means you can easily keep tabs on any activity at the moment that you're keeping an eye on. With the addition of widget suggestion that uses AI to place widgets in a smart way that is unique to you. Now you can stay on top of severe weather alerts, keep track of your training load, to optimize your workouts, browse through your latest photos, or monitor your daily distance. You can now quickly access the things you've used most recently in any app, whether it's your recent workout routines or the songs you've been jamming to. I personally do keep widget suggestions turned off because I prefer to manually set the widgets more useful for myself, even though I don't really use the Smart Stack that much. Let's talk about the check-in feature. It's super handy in lots of situations. With your Apple Watch and iPhone, you can quickly let people know where you are with just a few taps. Whether you're catching up with friends at a cafe, working out at the gym, or wandering around a new city, check-in makes it simple to share your location without even taking out your phone. Check-in is like location sharing, but a bit more advanced and seamlessly integrated. It's all about convenience and staying connected on the go. Plus, check-in integrates seamlessly with apps that support location-based check-ins, making it a versatile tool for social updates or fitness tracking. In watchOS 11, Apple has really stepped up its game with enhanced GPS positioning and new features tailored for various workouts. For swimmers, watchOS 11 introduces custom workouts specifically designed for pool swims. Now your Apple Watch can guide you through timed intervals of work and recovery right in the pool. Imagine diving in and seamlessly transitioning between intense swimming and rest periods, all while your watch provides haptic feedback to signal when it's time to switch. What's more, the Up Next workout view lets you exactly know what's coming into your custom workout. Whether you're mid-interval or anticipating the next phase, this feature keeps you informed and motivated throughout your swim session. It's like having a personal coach on your wrist, ensuring you make the most of every lap. These updates in watchOS 11 aren't just about tracking your activities. They are about enhancing your overall workout experience with precise tracking, real-time feedback, and seamless integration in your swim routine. Another app that got a cool feature is the Translate app. Now supporting 20 languages, it allows you to translate phrases by typing or dictating directly on your Apple Watch. What's even better, you no longer need your iPhone nearby to use the Translate app on your watch. You can simply download the language you need and you're ready to go. This independence makes your Apple Watch a powerful tool for travel and everyday communication. The convenience doesn't stop there. You can add the Translate app to your Smart Stack for quick access, ensuring it's always ready when you need it. And when you travel to a region where a different language is spoken, your watch intelligently adds the Translate widgets to help you navigate conversations effortlessly. The feature I was looking forward to is the updated double tap. Previously only limited to the Smart Stack and a couple of simple features like muting calls, it's nice seeing Apple expanding on this feature. What's particularly exciting is that Apple has extended the Double Tap API to third-party developers. This means developers can now integrate the Double Tap gesture in their own apps, enhancing usability and accessibility across a wide range of applications. I am excited to see how devs will implement this feature in watchOS apps and how it will be when watchOS 11 officially is coming out, as it's only in developer beta for the time being. To top it all off, several new features have also been added, like ultra-wideband home keys to unlock your door simply by approaching it. The wallet apps enhance ticketing capabilities and integration in live activities. Tap to Cash to exchange Apple Cash by presenting your Apple Watch to someone's iPhone or Apple Watch, though this feature is not available in Europe yet. And for outdoor enthusiasts, Maps now includes detailed hiking trails for all 63 US national parks with offline access and turn-by-turn voice guidance. watchOS 11 will not be compatible with all Apple Watch models. To be sure which one you got, you can check it out on Apple's website and see if your device is supported. It's important to note that while watchOS 11 is compatible with all the latest devices, not all features may be available on every model. This compatibility ensures that whether you're using a newer or slightly older Apple Watch model, you'll still benefit from the core updates and enhancements designed to make your Apple Watch experience better. I am looking forward to see what you guys will be using down the line. That sums it up for me today. and I'll catch you in the next one.